Hey, what's up, y'all? Dominoes 7 is back again. Okay. So I remember I said if I had something to say about Lizzie or Roman, I was gonna come back and tell y'all. Okay. So let me tell y'all something. I'm gonna talk about Roman. Okay. After watching Roman on YouTube with Lizzie, okay, I want to let y'all know something. I really want to let y'all know something. Okay. At that time, I was really jealous of Roman. Okay, I was a little jealous of Roman because he was always in videos with Lizzie. You know, so I mean, I want to let y'all know something. I'm gonna say, you know what I'm gonna tell y'all? What I'm about to tell y'all is this: Roman is a lucky guy, a real lucky guy. That's what I wanted to say. You know, what I found out throughout those times that Lizzie and Roman met each other when they was in college. You know, yeah. All that time I was well. Anyway, Roman. I know you watching this video. Okay, I know you are. Okay, somebody's gonna tell me. Okay, I'm gonna say somebody gonna tell you what I say, okay, but what I'm saying is you a lucky guy. You a great guy. You understand? I mean, let me tell you this. I was grunting when I saw you and Lizzie together in the video. I was grunting. Okay, I was really grunting. Okay, you know, around that time when I started watching Lizzie, I broke up with my girlfriend at that time. Okay, just around that time that I started watching Lizzie. Okay, my first time seeing Lizzie video, I think I was living in New Iberia, you know. Okay, so I ain't had a girlfriend that time, you know, and then I started watching other videos and stuff like that. So on the serious side though, I kept making my videos and stuff like that, you know. I want to let y'all know. I was really jealous of Roman, okay? Around the time I broke up with my girlfriend, you know, I was watching Liz. I said, oh, Liz is very attractive. She's beautiful, okay? And then watching Roman, I'm like, oh, man, Liz and Roman are together. Yeah. So, all right, Roman, if you're watching this, what I'm telling you is this. You a great guy, all right? I have no beef with you whatsoever, okay? So, Roman, he's cool. And Roman, I will ask you something, okay? If you watching this video right now, listen to me, Roman. If you watching this video right now, there's something I want to tell you, okay? All right. Like I said in my last video, if you watch my last video, okay, MeccaCon is coming to New Orleans, okay? All right, so if you have time, go on YouTube with you all right now. If you're watching my video as I speak, or after I finish with this video or something like that, okay. MeccaCon is coming to New Orleans from July 27th to July 29th. Okay. What I'm saying right now to you is I want to invite you here. Okay. So, if you never heard of MeccaCon, go on some kind of website. It's gonna be at the Hyatt Hotel. Okay, I want to invite Lizzie. I don't know if Lizzie Velasquez gonna come. Maybe next year she'll probably come. Okay, so if Lizzie can't make it, I would like for you to make it. If you can't make it, then I'll understand. Okay. I knew some of you viewers that watch Lizzie and Roman, y'all gonna watch this video, okay? All right. So I must say, Lizzie, she's wonderful, and Roman, he's a great guy. I wish I could meet Roman someday. I would love to meet Roman, okay? He's a great guy, okay? And you know something? I want to let y'all know something. I ain't know nothing about some of you viewers talking bad about Roman. You know, that was with that Let the Fun Begin, I think. That was the name of that video. When Roman and Lizzie went out to eat together, and then some of the viewers commenting and talking bad about Roman and stuff like that, you know. I mean, let me tell y'all something. I watch Roman in Lizzie videos, and Roman also got a YouTube channel of his own, you know. But I want to let y'all know something, y'all. Roman is a great guy, okay. And then when I watched that video with Lizzie, I ain't knew nothing about people talking bad about Roman, because I didn't even look at them comments though, because what happened was I watched the video on my TV that time, okay. Well, that was done before I got a PS3, you know. I was watching that video on my Wii U. That's what I was doing, folks, okay. I was watching that on my PS3. I mean, no, Wii U, I meant to say, okay? If y'all watch my previous videos, when I show y'all my video game collection, y'all will know, okay? Y'all would definitely know, okay? So, to continue what I'm saying, make a long story short, you know, or try to make a long story short, you know, Roman, I was really jealous of Roman, because I seen Roman in videos with Lizzie, you know. Well, I was grinding my teeth. Yeah, that's what I was doing. But I got over it, okay. So the thing is, I live in New Orleans, Louisiana, and Roman, I thought he was still living in Austin, Texas. I don't even know where he at, you know. So I knew some of y'all people seeing Roman around if you watch YouTube, okay? So some of you will probably say, I see you in Lizzie Velasquez videos, you know? I sure would like to be featured in Lizzie videos, you know? Alright. So, well, that's it for now. And Roman, if you're watching this, I would like to feature you on my show, okay? So, I wonder how many viewers I'll get. Probably a lot, because Lizzie Velasquez was featured in my video, you know. So I'm surprised I ain't get a lot of views when Jason David Frank was featured on my show when I was at Comic-Con, you know. All right, so that's it for now. Thank y'all for watching. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. Henry Winkler was shown on my show because I think I filmed him. He was at Comic-Con, you know, the Happy Days star, you know. I knew Henry Winkler was short because I watched him on Happy Days when he was younger. Okay, well, that's it for now. Thank y'all for watching. Okay, and you know, I apologize. It's not about Fonzarelli. It's about Roman Arispe. Okay, 2 thumbs up to Roman. Okay, Roman is an excellent guy. You know, that's how I feel. I was just jealous, but I didn't put that out there. Okay, I'm glad I didn't put it out there, because some of you viewers would have cussed me out. You know, some of you viewers would have cursed me out. You know, and I would have to block some of y'all. You know, so that's all. All right. Next video, I'm gonna talk about Lizzie. Okay. Thank y'all for watching. All right. Bye.